Right, this is it. Going to do a quick unboxing, see what's inside. I've seen the images of what's inside, it all looks fine. Let's have a look. So, we got a big black knob. There's not much you can say about that. Big black knob, check. What else we got? A dial, so you can know roughly where your volts are. It's not going to be completely accurate, but it will give you a guide. Packing. More packing. More packing and more packing and more packing. Oh, that weighs a ton. There's nothing else in there. Stick all that back later. Might make a good template for stuff. Yeah, and that's it. So we'll sort of pause this in a minute, and then we'll sort of come back to it when we are ready to sort of wire it up, and I'll try and explain where everything goes. So I'm not going to explain how it works unless I accidentally explain how it works. So back in a jiff.